New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, south central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Twin Rivers, or 15 miles east of Trenton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lakewood, Howell, Marlboro, Manalapan, Highttown, Cranberry, Allentown, Farmingdale, Roosevelt, East Freehold, Jackson's Mills, West Freehold, Clearbrook Park. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yeah.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near exit 8, Monmouth and Ocean, Jersey between mile markers 9 and 30. Take cover now. The National Building. Avoid windows.
No, it's not being interrupted.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean.
Nope. Nope.